Mas beneficial sa tao yung mura, di ba? You know, in every bidding process, you just have to qualify. And you have to think what is actually beneficial for the people. Kung mas mura nga talaga yun, bakit hindi? Correct. Mas beneficial sa tao yung mura, di ba? Well, of course, this is an attempt of St. Gerard to actually acquire projects from Baguio. Pero binantayan ni Mayor. Pero may control siya ngayon dahil hindi niya tinatanggap yan at hindi niya nire-release yung pera. Kasi binabantayan niya yung pera ng taong bayan. Ganun dapat, mga syunga-syunga. He also opened the documents for the public to view it. Oh. Sino ang congressman na haharap na ganyan, na nagkaroon ng project tapos sasabihin niya, tignan niyo yung papeles.